Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Iker Masala. So for today's video guys, we're going to check out the YouTube estimated revenue of BEKS Battalion. Ayan, dun si Chad Kinney, si Lassie, and yung isa pa, I can't remember the other name. So as you can see, they have 131 upload video on their YouTube channel, subscribers of 1.1 million something, with a total video views of 74,231,404, and country is Philippines. Channel type is not stated, and user created January 14, 2020. So this is last year only guys. And as you can see, meron silang 3 badge. Ayan, the badge is extremely popular and trending. And the other one is badge of authority, having 250,000 subscribers. So 1.1 million yan guys. And recently they celebrate their 1 million subscribers. So total grade is letter B plus. Social blade rank is 22,120. Subscriber rank is 20,217. Video views rank is 71,919. Country rank is 169. Wow. So walang channel type rank. So as you can see, meron silang 174,000 subscriber. Mataas ito ng 8.4 or yes 8.4% and subscriber for the last 30 days. And ang kanilang estimated monthly earning is 3,600 to 58,300. It's a big thing guys, it's a huge amount of money. Video views for the last 30 days is 14.5 million something. Mataas siya ng 29.6%. So compared to the last month, siguro nasa 13 lang sila o 13 million lang yung kanilang video views. And total subscriber weekly, and iyan nakikita sa ating graph. So ang estimated yearly earning niya is 43,700 to 699,100 US dollars. So OMG. Total video views for weekly is, the graph is working good. So kung makikita nyo, maganda yung kanilang performance ng kanilang channel. So tatlo silang pinagsama, more on entertainment yung kanilang channel, and nakakatawa naman talaga. So since hindi man naka-state dito yung kanilang channel type, so ang pagkakalam ko is more on entertainment, kasi napanood ko yung mga videos nila, and stress reliever talaga yun. So compute natin yung kanilang monthly earnings. So meron silang 3,600 US dollars. So we're going to times it into 48 as an exchange rate here in the Philippines. So meron silang 172,800. So yun yung pinakang mababa diyan sa kanilang estimated monthly, and meron silang 58,300 times 48. So meron silang 2,798,400. So ang laki ng pera na yan. So this is only monthly guys. So tandem talaga silang tatlo when it comes to giving a entertainment, or very komedyante kasi yung tatlo na yan. That's why no wonder na maganda yung kanilang outcome ng mga videos nila, and of course ng mga video views nila. So i-compute natin yung kanilang estimated yearly. So meron silang 43,700 US dollars times 48. So meron silang 2,097,600. Pinakababa yun sa yearly nila, and hindi na natin kukumputin yung 699 kasi masyadong malaki na yun. So hati-hati sila dun sa kanilang estimated revenue na yun, or dun sa kinikita nila sa kanilang YouTube channels, and tandem talaga silang tatlo. So merong makikita kayo din na estimated earnings, video views, subscribers, date of uploaded video. So ang estimated earnings nila is $85 to 1,400. So malaking na to. So kung kung susumahin natin, siguro kalahati ng 1,400 or 3/4 ng 1,400 yung kanilang estimated earning o yung kanilang talagang total na nakukuha doon sa kanilang YouTube channel, kasi this is just only an estimated revenue, and posibilidad na kitain nila ito sa kanilang YouTube channel, kasi yung mga video views nila is majority ng mga viewers is dito sa Pilipinas. And kung meron mga manonood ng taga-ibang bansa or doon sa mga bansa na matataas ang CPM like USA, Canada, Canada, Australia, ayan, yun yung nagbibigay ng malaking revenue kasi mataas ang mga CPM doon. CPM, yes. And nasa top 20 kasi yung matataas na bansa na mayroong mataas na CPM. For example, yung Pakistan and Bangladesh, yun talaga yung nangunguna and number 1. Japan also is a big a country with a high CPM. So kung makikita ninyo yung mga estimated nila is inaabot ng thousands of dollars. So ang kanilang daily average for the subscriber is 5,800. So daily ito guys So mataas na yung 5,800. So parang ang 5,800 subscriber is something like yung nag-i-start pa lang, yung bago pa lang sa YouTube. And then yung kanilang video views for one day is 485,499, and ang kanilang estimated revenue is $121 to $1,900 US. So that is only for one day. So ang weekly average ng kanilang subscriber is 40,600, and ang video views nila is 3,398,493 video views yan guys. Ang laking pera niyan if ever na ang manonood sa iyo is lahat is nasa US or Australia. Ayan. So ang kanilang estimated revenue is $850 to $13,600 US. OMG. In the last 30 days, yung kanilang subscriber is 174,000. And then total video views is 14,564,955. And estimated revenue nila sa monthly is 3,600 US dollars to 58,300 US dollars. So diba ang laking pera nito guys. And big shoutout sa BEKS Battalion kasi they give entertainment to those people, lalo na sa ngayon na 'di ba, may pandemya tayo and kailangan ng mga tao na sumaya and ma-relieve doon sa mga stress na nararanasan nila. So yan yung kanilang estimated YouTube revenue na BEKS Battalion. So nangunguna diyan si Chad Kinis and si Lassie. Kalimutan ko pangalan ng isa magaling din magpatawa yan, pero more on ako kay Chad kasi talagang nakakatawa talaga siya. And doon sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ayan, sumali to si Chad Kinis sa It's Showtime. So parang kasabayan niya yata si si yung nanalo na taga somewhere in Pasay siguro yun. I'm not sure sino nga ang pangalan nun. And then kasabayan niya din si si Elsa Droga. So ayan yung makikita niyo yung kanyang monthly gain na video views. So yung mga dot din is represent kung magkano ang video views or ilan yung video views na nakuha nila within a month. So yung kanilang video views is pataas yung mga dot or yung graph. Ayan. So ang pinakamataas nila is yung latest, yung December. Ayan. So hindi na rin maganda na rin yung kanilang performance ng kanilang YouTube channel. And also meron na sariling channel si Chad Kinis. Hindi lang ako sure doon sa dalawa kung meron din silang sariling YouTube channel. So ang monthly subscriber or December na nakuha nilang subscriber last year is 225,000. That is only 1 month guys. So hindi naman nakakapagtaka na yung kanilang channel is last year lang, January, din makatapos ang taon nagkaroon na sila agad ng million of views, million of subscribers, o di ba? Well, anyway, magaling naman sila magaling silang mga komedyante and hindi na nakakapagtaka yan. So I made this video just to inspire others, kagaya ko na inspire ako sa kanila na umaasa ako and someday I would be like them. And yung mga digits dyan is posibleng kitain. So maraming salamat sa social bid, at least meron akong idea, merong iba yung idea na kung paano kumita dito sa YouTube channel at magkano yung kinikita nila. So don't forget to subscribe BEKS Battalion YouTube channel, and of course to my YouTube channel, Ikim Rosalas. Thank you for watching and God bless all.